Luy ka. Hi everyone, my name is Ara Espontaneria and
Precious DF Bautista.
so welcome to our channel. And now for today, nandito po tayo sa Cibol Farm, kung saan dito mo maraming mga halaman katulad ng makikita nyo sa aming vlog.
Ito-torm namin kami guys.
Okay guys, let's do it.
Up! Bago tayo. Bago!
So, hello everyone! My name is Ara Espontaneria and nandito tayo ngayon sa Cibol Farm kung saan nandito sa Lake Cebu, South Cotabato. And ito ngayon, papunta na kami sa itaas. So, nag-walking lang kami around 2 hours. Pero it's better to mag-walking na lang kasi maging physical naman tayo kasi yun na naman yung pandemic ngayon. So, papunta na tayo sa itaas. Let's go! So, hello everyone! Nandito tayo sa Cibol Farm. So, makikita nyo yan. Yung magagandang view dito. So, ayan. Dito. Cibol Farm and Lake Cebu. Ayan. Hello guys! So, kakatapos lang namin mag-tour dito sa Cibol Farm.
Picture.
Yeah! And,
Ito yung mga rabbit dito.
so, makikita nyo dyan yung rabbit na. So, kakatapos na namin. Then, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.
Don't forget like, share, comments, and click below.
Sa kanya tong channel na to ha. Joke lang. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, class!
Bye-bye! Tita, bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Oy, ito pa sila, oh! Na!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Wait na. It's me again. So, may nakita akong bunny dito. Tcharan! Hello! Ayan. So, may tinatanim po sila. May project po sila dito. So, ito po. Pupunta tayo sa pool.
Broken all the pieces I've been shaping lately. Focused on the things that didn't make no sense. Guess that growing up was never meant to be easy. Yeah, I got used to doing everything sideways. Didn't really care about how anyone felt. Hiding my emotions down in different ashtrays. Oh, but what is lost ain't gone. No, you can't just let go, 'cause it's a part of you that it will make you strong.